Welcome to US Solid. Today we are going to show you how to wire your motorized ball valve with 3 wires. Yellow wire should be connected to the negative pole of the power source. When red wire is connected to the positive pole, the valve will open. In case of power loss, the valve will remain in its current position. When blue wire is connected to the positive pole, it will be fully closed. We will show you an example of wiring the valve with a toggle switch. The two ends of the switch are connected with red and blue wires respectively, and the middle position will be connected with the positive pole of the power supply. We choose a DC power plug to connect switch and valve with power adapter. Red wire in the middle of the switch is connected to the positive pole, and the yellow wire is connected to the negative pole of the DC plug. When the switch is set to open, valve will fully open. When it is set to close, valve will fully close. Once fully open or closed, the valve will consume almost no energy. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.ussolid.com. Thank you.